Hi, this is James, and I want to thank you first of all for taking the time to watch my videos. I would like you to do three things. Number one, I want you to subscribe to our channel and watch some of our videos. Number two, I would like you to share this with your friends. Share it on your social media. And number three, go below and connect with our social media. Click on some of our links to find out a little bit what we offer, and we enjoy bringing you different tech and different reviews, different product reviews. Of course, I'm a big coffee reviewer, so thank you for watching. Today we are bringing you tech for 2020, things to keep an eye on. So we're going to be right back, and we will bring you several different items to keep your eye on for 2020 in the technology sector. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in a minute. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Okay, we are here on the website, and I'm using the website that way instead of me just sitting here talking to you. I want to show you some of the things, and that way we can just kind of just it's all about the products that are really cool and some things just to keep an eye on. And I know you could just go to the website and look it up, but as you talk about it, I think different things kind of come to mind. Okay, some of the coolest wireless speakers ever made. How many of you like using your Bluetooth or wireless speakers? It's cool. Talk about conversation starters. These are new award-winning Bluetooth speakers. Look at how cool they look. This would be good for a patio, out relaxing. The bedroom, anywhere. They are Tiki Tunes, certified dust tight and protected from water, which means you could enjoy them at the park, tailgating, and even in the rain. But they do work for Apple and Android devices, so they light up. It's pretty cool. For nighttime, it would really be very, very cool. This is one for photographers, the Photo Stick. This is a backup and organize all your computer photos and videos with simply one click. This may be something you really want to take a look at if you do a lot of photography. Actually, you take your photography from your camera or from your phone, and I download it or I sync it with my computer, and then they end up sometimes I want to transfer them. So this will do it. Your computer is filled with the photos and the Photo Stick. The Photo Stick, it's a small USB thumb drive, and it instantly backs up your photos and videos. No software is required. You just it's a plug and play. And that's what's so cool about this. You click the big green button and go, and it goes through and it protects and backs up to 60,000 photos and videos without you sitting there. You ever done the transfer thing, file to folder? This will do it all for you automatically. Okay, the Dodo or the Dodo, trouble falling asleep? Quiet your mind and drift off to sleep in minutes with this new sleep device. Again, these are things just to keep a watch on for 2020. have trouble turning your brain off, what this is a device that you turn it on, breathe in and out with a rhythmic glow, and then they say you marvel the next morning how quickly you fall asleep. It doesn't just help you fall asleep. It actually, the big thing about it retrains right here. It retrains your brain to fall asleep on its own with zero side effects. So that's why they call it the sleep solution. Kind of cool. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of cool. All right. Drive safer by navigating busy streets without taking your eyes off the road. I think this is one that I'm very interested in. Okay, this is Visar, the new cutting-edge heads-up display solution for checking traffic in your programmed routes without taking your eyes off the road. It takes the same technology that keeps fighter pilots focused on flight paths and brings it directly to your dashboard, your car's dashboard, so you can check traffic conditions, speedometer, street maps, and more. So to me, that is one you would really want to keep your eyes on. Okay, PhotoStick Mobile. We had talked about the PhotoStick for the computer. This is for the phone. So you do take a lot of photos with your phone and videos. It does exactly what you need. It's seamless, transferring of photos and videos to your computer with the PhotoStick Mobile, and free up much needed space on your smartphone. Okay, fixed that check engine light. I actually have had a few friends that I know have used this, and they say it works. It's an app. You plug this in on your car, and it's connected, and it checks your light. It shows what is needed, the different things. That's kind of interesting. 2013 Ford Focus, and that's what I know of one that used it on a Ford Focus 2012. That's kind of funny. Sorry about that. But it covers and it shows you, it does what computers do, but it's through your app in your phone. So that is extremely interesting to me. The global, this is kind of funny. Cut down on the number of messes you clean. It actually keeps your bathroom smelling fresher. Each device comes with replaceable air freshener. Right there's where they make their money. That provides months of odor protection. It automatically lights up your toilet each time someone uses the bathroom at night. Now you can be sure to see before you pee. Interesting. Okay. This one is I'm kind of leery of, but it's supposed to take an old computer, make it fast. I've read some reviews on other things like this. I'm just kind of leery, but most computers aren't built to last. Give it a try. Extra PC. It bypasses your old slow operating system and replaces it with a fully functional Linux operating system that's blazing fast and easy to use. There's no need to worry about your existing files. Extra PC doesn't touch or change files in any way. So that's the only plus. Linux is really good. It's a very light operating system. So possibilities there. Okay, and I'm only going to do 10 of these. There's 20 of these. XY Find It. Stop losing things. This is kind of like the tiles from yesterday or last year. It allows you to geolocate lost items 300 feet away. You basically put it on your keychain, you put it on suitcase, you put it on whatever, and you can locate this with your phone, with the app, with the Find It app, up to 300 feet away. So that is a good thing. And number 10, it's the Carbon Clean. So reading glasses, sunglasses and stuff, trying to keep them clean. This thing cleans. And this is kind of interesting because I typically wear glasses and I have one of those claws and you're always trying to clean and you end up getting fingers on it. This would be something, it's called Peeps. This might be something that you might want to do. So this is 10 things. There's 20. So check back in the next video. We will go through the other 10 items of tech to keep an eye on in 2020. So thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and share and connect below on our social media. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.